we have to round our number first to the nearest 10. We have decimal number. Why? Because we have decimal point. How we round decimal numbers? We use the same rule like for rounding whole numbers. So first let me copy our example. We have 7 to decimal point 9, 7 to 9. First we have to round to the nearest 10. 10. We have N and VH. We don't have TH. It means we have to move from decimal point to the left. And decimal point is always between ones and tenth. Because we have 10, we move to the left side. First digit after decimal point is ones, next is tenth. So we have to underline our 10. We have 72. So 7 is our tens, 7 tenths we have. And next we have to check the digit which is after our underline digit is 2. When we have 2, 1, 0, 4 or 3, so less than 5 after underline digit, we have to copy our underline digit, and everything what we have after our underline digits we have to change to zeros. So 9 will change to 0, 2 to 0, 7 to 0, 9 to 0, decimal point we copy, 2 we need to change to 0, and 7 we just copy. So 72.9729 rounded to the nearest 10 is 70. We don't need these zeros after decimal point because they don't change the value of our number. So we can write 70 and decimal point. This was rounding to the nearest 10. Next, let me copy again our example. Next, we have to round to the nearest 100. We have D at the end. We don't have TH. It means we have to move from the decimal point to the left side. First, decimal point is always between ones and tenth. So ones, tenths, 100 next will be. We don't have any digits, so it means we can add, because this is like invisible, 0, I can add the 0 because we need to round to the nearest 100, so we underline the 0, and next we have to change the digit which is after our underlined digit. 7. When we have 5 or more after our underlined digits, what we have to do? We have to add 1 to our underlined digits, so it will be plus 1. And don't forget that every digit after our underlined digits we need to change to zeros. So now will be 9 will be 0, 2 will be 0, 7, 0, 9, 0. Decimal point we copy. 2 you will change to 0, 7 to 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So what we get? We got 100. We don't have to write the zeros after decimal point because they don't change the value of our number. This was rounding to the nearest 100. And the last rounding, we have to copy one more time our example, 72.9729. We need to find thousandth. We have TH at the end. It means we have to move to the right from the decimal point. When we move to the right from the decimal point, each position is 10 times smaller. So first we need to find thousandth. Decimal point is always between ones and tenths. Tenths, hundredth. Next is thousandth. We underlined 2. We have 2,000th. And next we have to check the digit which is after our underlined digit is 9. When we have 5 or more after underlined digit, what we have to do? We need to add 1 to our underlined digit. And don't forget that after our underlined digit, every digit we need to change to 0. We have only 9, so now 9 will be 0. 2 plus 1 is 3. 7 we have to copy. 9 we have to copy. Decimal point 2 and 7. Everything what we have before 2 is our underlined digits, we have to rewrite. Everything after underlying digits we change to zeros. So we got 72.973. This was rounding to the nearest thousandth. This is my solution.